So are you struggling to make enough sales to break even on your ad spend? If that's you guys, you're in luck today, because today I'm going to be showing you in this video how to make more sales with your affiliate marketing programs and products by implementing certain strategies that's going to drastically increase your sales conversion. So stay tuned for this video, guys. My name is John from johnmcneil.com. And if this is the first time you come to my channel, I do teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money from home. So if that interests you, you definitely want to subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little John McNeil icon in the right-hand corner of the screen, and go ahead and click that little bell icon so that you're notified every time I release a new video. So guys, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. I think you're going to like it. I think it's going to make sense to you. And after you implement the strategy that I'm going to teach you guys, you're going to be quadrupling your sales conversions. And we're going to start right now. All right, guys, John from johnmcneil.com here, and today we're going to be talking about how you can actually increase your sales conversions for your affiliate marketing programs and products that you're selling online. So here, this is a depiction of basically what most affiliate marketers do. So they get that they have to build their list because their list is an asset. So they do sometimes go ahead and get a squeeze page up, and they start building their list, and they send those individuals, those visitors, when they get traffic, over to a sales page. And what typically happens is, sales page conversions are not very high these days. I mean, for the most part, if it's a good sales page, you're going to get like maybe 1 or 2 or 3% conversion rate. So that basically means if you send 100 visitors to a sales page, you may get 1 or 2 sales, right? And then it could be even less if your squeeze page isn't converting at like 40 or 50%. So you're not even getting enough traffic to this other side. But essentially what's happening is people come in through the squeeze page and they see the sales page, and then a percentage buys, and then the majority of the people, they don't buy. And then obviously you're going to be following up with your autoresponder. But when these folks typically follow up, they'll send an email and they'll send them straight to this the sales page. They'll send another email the next day, send them straight to the sales page, send another email and send them straight to the sales page. And that can work to a degree. I'm not saying that that absolutely does not work, because it can work. But if you want to increase your sales conversions, if you want to make a lot more sales with your affiliate marketing products and programs, I'm going to show you a different way of how you can do this that will absolutely increase your sales conversion. So let's look at this. So you're going to do another squeeze page. Obviously, you're always going to start with a squeeze page. So you're always going to be building your list. So what you could definitely do after sending the person to your squeeze page, the next page that you can send that person to is what they call like a bridge page or introductory page. So basically, maybe you're, pitching a product on traffic generation. So you can send them through the squeeze page. You can let them know that they're about to learn information about XYZ traffic generation, right? And then from there, you send them to a bridge page or introductory page, basically just introducing yourself. You're saying like, hi, my name is John, and I wanted to talk to you just briefly because I'm introducing you to this product or this program that teaches you all about traffic generation. Some of the things that I learned in this, this product is XYZ. I think it's really good. Go ahead and click the link below so you can give it a look for yourself and learn some of the stuff, blah, blah, blah. Then you send them to the sales page, right? And the difference between, sending them from the squeeze to the sales page is you've warmed that prospect up now by actually getting in front of the camera, or even if you did a screen share, you warmed them up because now they have more of a warm and fuzzy about the product or the program that you're introducing, because now it's not just a generic sales page anymore. It's an actual human person that has connected with that prospect, right? So, all of these sales pages kind of look the same and they feel the same, and, they're all pretty hypey, and we're all skeptical because we've all lost money, and no one wants to lose money, but we all want to make money, and we all want to believe in somebody that is going to help us get there. Everybody needs a mentor, a coach, and we all want to connect with like-minded people that are going to be sincere and that are going to actually help us get to wherever we need to be. So therefore, if you're doing this bridge page or this introductory page, this will kind of humanize the sales process some, right? You can tell a story on here. You can just, you can tell them, about yourself, and then send them to that product or that sales page. Now, in your subsequent emails, instead of just sending them directly to the sales page, is now you can actually start creating content. So on that second day, instead of sending them directly to the sales page, you can actually create some sort of content prior to sending them to the sales page. Again, what are we doing? We're building rapport, we're building trust. We're increasing our sales conversions every time we do this. Now, guys, this does take a little bit more work up front, but the benefits of the sales conversion are going to definitely outweigh the time that you put into creating, this particular, sales marketing campaign. So in this content here, you could show them a strategy that you learned in the traffic product. So we were talking about the traffic product. So maybe you take one little concept or one traffic technique out of the course, and you show them how to generate some traffic, or you show them a result that you've gotten. I did this XYZ traffic method, and I was able to get 150 clicks to my website by doing this. You show them that, and then you say, this is what I've learned here in this product. Why don't you check it out, right? Day 3, another piece of content, right? You can even show on this piece of content like a result. From the result from that traffic campaign that I ran yesterday where I got 150 clicks to my website, I actually made, $200 using that traffic strategy. Now I've made a tangible result, a monetary result from the product that I'm pitching to my prospect. So now, my prospect has gone through the squeeze page. They've gotten to know me a little bit here. I personalized it. I've given them some content here, showing them some traffic techniques, being genuine, giving value. And then I'm even showing them a result here saying, look, I made $200 from doing this. I highly recommend that you go ahead and get this traffic product, guys. And you can do this with any product, any program. The point is you want to humanize the process, and you want to try to get value and get in front of your prospects as much as possible, because just sending them from the squeeze page to the sales page, yes, you can make money, but you will make a lot more money by, stepping out in front of the sales page and, being genuine, giving value. And you're going to have a lot more people jump on board with your products and your programs if you do that. So that was my message for today, guys. That's how you're going to make more sales with your affiliate marketing business. I do have a guide at johnmcneil.com that shows you how to start an affiliate marketing business from scratch. You guys can go ahead and check that out. The link will be in the description. Make sure you comment below. Let me know what you thought about this video, and make sure you subscribe. So this is John from johnmcneil.com. We will see you on the next video. Peace.